سيادة الرئيس، اسمحوا لي أن أقدم لسيادتكم سعادة السيد ديفيد موسكات ليقدم أوراق اعتماده رئيسا لمكتب تمثيل جمهورية مالطا لدى دولة فلسطين، خلفا لسعادة السيد فرانكلين أكويلينا.
Your Excellency, President Abbas, I have the honor to present to Your Excellency the letter of credence by which Her Excellency Miriam Spinelli de Bono, President of Malta, appoints me as the head of the representative office of the Republic of Malta to the State of Palestine. Please allow me to convey to Your Excellency the friendly greetings of President Spinelli de Bono. Relations between Malta and Palestine are marked by long-standing ties of friendship, and this is reflected in the close bond of solidarity between the Maltese and Palestinian people. In this regard, I am pleased to note that in recent years, several initiatives for closer cooperation in the economic, social, and cultural fields have been undertaken. Likewise, the political dialogue between the two governments has been enhanced, including to the conclusion of a number of agreements. Excellency, Malta was one of the first European countries to recognize the legitimate aspirations of the Palestinian nation to statehood. Malta has been consistent and persistent in its support for a two-state solution, a solution that should lead to the establishment of a viable Palestinian state alongside its neighbors in borders that are secure. This position was and is central to Malta's foreign policy. It is consonant with the belief that there can be no peace and stability in the Mediterranean and in Europe without peace and stability in this region. Malta has pursued this policy within international fora, including the European Union and the United Nations. In this spirit, Malta officially confirmed its recognition of the State of Palestine on 22nd September 2025. At this delicate juncture, it is important to reaffirm this position and Malta's steadfast commitment to a just and lasting peace based on the two-state solution. Excellency, Malta remains committed to further strengthening its vital relations with the State of Palestine and will continue to explore further avenues for enhanced cooperation. Malta is ready to assist through capacity building and training for the public administration. Malta will also continue offering scholarships, notably in diplomatic studies and conservation areas, as well as humanitarian assistance. I wish to reassure Your Excellency of my commitment to do my utmost to contribute to the further strengthening of the vital relations. In conclusion, Your Excellency, I would like to take the opportunity to wish you a blessed Ramadan. Ramadan Kareem.